Good morning, hope you're all having a wonderful day. It has been a while since I've posted on here. Today I wanted to do a little bit of a day in the life and show you a few different things that I'm going to be doing throughout the day. Obviously with isolation, a few things have changed. Aaron is working next door in the spare bedroom, so this is why I'm sat here on the floor starting my video here. And it has changed things a little bit because I'm used to working from home by myself all day, using that room as well. So now I'm kind of just in the living room of the apartment and have been working mostly from here. I have a few things that I wanted to do today. I wanted to unbox a few things with you, and then I'm planning on taking a few photos for Instagram. Then I wanted to clean out the drawer in the kitchen where we have like the knives and forks and everything, just to clean that up a little bit. I wanted to also clean my makeup brushes. It's been a while since I've done that, and because mostly I am just staying at home not wearing makeup, it's a good time to do it. And obviously today I have applied my makeup, but I won't be doing it for a few days. And then I'll need to pack my orders and bring them to the post office as well. And another thing is my nails. I don't know if you can tell, they are almost on week 4. So I have been trying to look online for how I can remove them. So if I get time today, I will do that and include that in the video as well. But if not, I might do it on a separate video. I've actually had quite a productive morning this morning as well. I started my day on the treadmill. I did about 45 minutes on the treadmill. Then I had a shower, washed my hair, and my hair, can I just say, is looking so healthy. And I'm going to share with you a few of the products that I have just got in as well from DNA Organics, which is the brand that I only use on my hair. Then I had a coffee. I have also lit my candle, which you can see in the background as well. And I am all set. Okay, so let's get started. And if I'm speaking a little bit quietly, it's because Aaron is on the phone next door taking calls and things. So I'm trying not to be too loud. So the first parcel that I'm going to show you is from Arena Skincare. And they have sent me a very beautiful package, which I don't know if you can see. There's lots of little things inside. So they've written a beautiful note, and they've included a little bag, a facial massaging tool, which I'm going to take out and show you because this is one of the things that I want to take a photo of today. So that's this here in pink, which is my favorite color if you haven't noticed. Then what is this? This is a cleansing mousse, and it's a very nice big size as well. What else? This is apricot sorbet moisture cream. Yum. Oh, this looks good, and I love their colors as well. That's nice, so you can see. And lastly, a rose antioxidant elixir. Is that how you say it? Ooh, what is this? Look at that texture and color. It's like blue. The next delivery, which I'm going to show you, is from S&L, and it's this beautiful box here, and I think inside is 3 notebooks. So it's a pack of 3 notebooks, and they personalize it as well. From what I've seen, they do all sorts of diaries and notepad stationery, wedding planning, books and things like that as well. So then when I was speaking to you about the hair products, these are actually products, or 3 of them, I don't think I've tried them yet. So this is a shampoo and conditioner, and they are for dry scalp. So every now and then my scalp does get a little bit dry, so I wanted to try these to see if that helps, because in the past I have bought shampoo and conditioners for dry scalps as well, and it's not often that I do get it, but every now and then, so it's handy to have a shampoo and conditioner for that just in case. Another product that I got was the macadamia argan mask, and I have tried their award-winning primrose mask, which I actually used in my hair today, and it just helps my hair look and feel so much softer. And the last product that I received was the Iron Defense because obviously it's really important every time you put heat on your hair that you are using a heat protector as well. Then I got another delivery, which I have opened, from Antipodes, and I think this is a New Zealand brand which has some quite good products which I'm excited to use. So one of the products was a H2O Ultra Hydrating Water Gel, which comes in this box here. And I'll just take it out so you can see, because I have opened it and I love the consistency of it. How incredible does that look? Then I also received an eye cream which came in this box here, and I will take it out the box so you can see inside it as well. This looks so hydrating. And the last thing that I got from them was a lipstick, which I love a pop of colour as well. And I have already tried it on, so that's the colour that it comes in. And I want to take a few photos of that colour today. And the last thing, which is not new, but I do want to use today after I have taken my makeup off and get ready for bed, is the Sea to Skin mask. So this one here I have been using and have used a few times, and it's just something that I want to do tonight. I think it's the last video that I posted a review on it as well. So excited to pop this on at the end of the day. Okay, so I'm just going to get started on the kitchen drawer and do that now, because with my OCD it has been bugging me. Alright, I'm glad that's done. That's one of those things that I've just been putting off for a while and need to do every now and then. I just realised that we don't have anything for lunch, so I might make us some pasta for lunch so that we have something to eat, and then I will clean my makeup brushes after lunch. I am just sat here on the floor and I have just finished taking a few photos for my Instagram page. So if you're not following my Instagram page, I'll be sure to link it up on screen so you can head over and check it out. So now that I've finished that, I'm just waiting for Aaron to go on his lunch break so that I can pack some of my orders, because my stock is in the spare bedroom. And then I wanted to clean my makeup brushes with you, so maybe I'll do that now while I'm waiting for Aaron to be finished in the bedroom. I'm just sitting here next to the window because it's the only spot where it doesn't look almost pitch black in the house and I have to turn the light on to film. So I think I'm going to leave the video here. I just went to the post office and dropped off my orders from today, and because of the lighting I'm not going to be able to film myself fixing my nails or cleaning my brushes, but I will leave that for another day when the sun comes out so I can film that for you as well. So if you're still here, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day and stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!